to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get a beautiful silk press at home. My hair is already blow dried. As you can tell, I'm gonna go over it again, but first I'm gonna show you what I shampooed my hair with. I use this set. I got it from Marshall's. It's the keratin set. I love this set. It was like $7.99 a bottle, and I went ahead and used this scalp massager when I did my hair, and it just got all that dandruff lifted up because I do suffer from dandruff. I also went ahead and used this heat protectant on my hair before blow drying it. And then this is me just going over it with the blow dryer again, because the key to a good silk press, at least for me, is a amazing blowout. Like, there can't be any tangles in the ends of my hair or my silk press will not come out properly. So this is me just making sure I get that seamless blowout. So my technique with a blow dryer brush is to make sure I'm rolling it out just like you see me doing, just to make sure I'm getting all the hair and the ends in. So I'll just like pull it in towards me like I'm doing a blowout. Of course, you can go ahead and use a regular blow dryer and use a brush with this method. To me, it just helps me get those ends, especially with this blunt cut that I have. So the blow dryer brush just works best for me. Now that my hair is completely blow dried and fairly straight, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of this Silk Infusion. I love this stuff. I've been using this for years. This is the key to my silk press. If I don't have this, my silk press is just not even the same. You want to use just like a dime size, not a lot at all, because it can make your hair look a little bit oily. So you definitely don't want to use a lot, but this is where I get that shine from. If you're missing that shine in your silk press, you're probably missing the Silk Infusion. So after I rub a little bit of the products throughout my hands, I start rubbing it through my hair evenly. Just no specific way, just kind of like parting it to make sure all parts of the hair get some product. And this is me just rubbing it through, making sure it's not any on my hand, and really making sure that I get those ends. Like, that's the most important part, is the ends. Keep focus on come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed. Now I'm just clipping up my hair, and I'm gonna start working on the back of my neck, your kitchen, whatever you want to call it. And there's really no specific technique with it. What I do is I just part a little bit of it out just to make sure I'm like really concentrated on that area, and then I kind of flat iron towards my head just so I can like really get the roots, rather than pulling down and like kind of burning myself. So that's just what I'm doing here. This is what just works for me on the back of my neck. As I was starting the back, I had to run and go grab my package of clip-ins. Make sure you go and watch my maintenance vlog to see me putting those clip-ins in. And then I just go ahead and move on to the back. The back of my hair is really soft. My hair just has a bunch of different textures. Like, the middle is way more thicker than the back, so I don't really need to run the comb with the train in the back because it just gets straight really easily. But this is me just using the train method with the comb, just following the comb at the bottom. And I basically am just using this method all across my hair. Just basically, like I said, using the comb first and just pulling that down and running a train with the flat iron. Look at that shine, okay? That's that silk infusion. I'm telling you. And to ensure that I'm getting the most important part, the roots, of course, I just kind of make sure I like inch a little bit closer, as close as I can. You'll get used to it, but basically that's just my technique is I just make sure I double inch at the root.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you came with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
We break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream to living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all that night top rhyming, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Park the car then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from.
Once I am complete, I just go ahead and focus on my edges. And I use that same method that I use for the back of my neck, just kind of like flat iron towards my face. I feel like it just helps get the roots better in the front and it helps me not burn myself with the flat iron. Clearly I was really focused on getting that middle part and it still don't look fully middle parted to me, but whatever. this is the final look. Look how silky that looks. Like my hair is so thick. I have perfected my own at-home silk press and I'm the only person I trust to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.